Hello friends, this is Marvin Salcedo with Salcedo Lawn here, and I'm over here at Hughes Plant Farm, and this place is a buzz today. Spring is in the air, and as you can see around me, I'm surrounded by some beautiful flowers. And just wanted to give you a quick tip. After Easter is a great time to start planting your seasonal color. And one thing that we do when we're planting our seasonal colors, we put a small pinch of fertilizer in the hole before we plant our flower, just to help give it some nutrients as it begins to grow. We use either Osmocote or a good triple 13 fertilizer just to help kick things off. So after Easter again is a great time to start planting your seasonal color. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment, and we'd love to help you out however we can. Thank you so much, and y'all have a wonderful day.